Hello, I'm Andre Amsing from onlineincomeroadmap.net and also andreamsing.com. Hi, Alex. It's really great to meet you. And I welcome you to this review that I'm doing for the Vidicious animation technology, which creates stunning, eye-catching intros, outros, and logo stings. We'll check it out together. The key factor in getting sales when you have an affiliate offer or to get leads when people are scrolling by is to catch their attention. You want to stop people in their tracks so they don't keep on scrolling. And you can do that with Vidicious because it creates an eye-catching, stunning animation in 3D, and this software allows you to do it within minutes. Because the fact is, you never have a second chance to make a good first impression. In fact, if you make a bad impression, it can cost you sales, leads for your business. It's not worth your time because there's a fierce competition to grab people's attention on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, on all platforms. 70% of the people that are on the internet say that a good video helps them to make a buying decision for a product or a service. We are here on the sales page and we will be in the members area in a couple of minutes. First, let's go through my bonus page offer. I've put together a bundle of top bonuses that I think you'll like. Let's go through that, and then when we get back, we'll go and look a little bit more closely to this RDR animation technology software. That will change the game for online marketers. So let's go to the bonus page and check out what I put together for you. Okay, here we are with the Vidicious bonus page that I have put together for those that buy through my affiliate link. This is a Vidicious eye-catching 3D video animation review and mega bonuses. Pay attention to the fact that Vidicious will be activated tomorrow, Tuesday, the 8th of September at 10 a.m. EDT. So if you get there before, please bookmark this page and come back. So let's discover the unique mega bonuses that you'll get by buying Vidicious 3D video animation software through my links. These are designed to get you into the money as fast as possible. The first bonus is Video Kiss Method. This is one of my products, 11 module mini course in video and audio formats, including walkthroughs. So this has a value of $97. Learn how to get your products in front of the right audience with laser targeted videos. Mega bonus number 2, launch jacking formula. This comes from Jono Armstrong. Make affiliate sales using video sites. And this is really what you want to use your 3D animation software for, is to attract attention to your affiliate offers. Launch jacking, hijack your way to success. Mega bonus number 3 is how to get business clients on LinkedIn. My mentor, Hung Lee, has a great training on how to get high-end clients, sell your videos and your video animation services to businesses. They have the money, no problem for them to pay $500 to $750 for an animated video. They need to have exposure. How to grow your business fast? Well, once you get your first 2 or 3 clients, use the referral method to get more clients. Other bonuses you might like: mindset hurdles to overcome to succeed online. It is strange why some people take so many years before they succeed. Here are 18 reasons that John Thornhill wrote up, 18 reasons why you're not succeeding online and what you can do about it. A mini course, ebook, and videos. The thank you page strategy is very interesting. If you're doing solo ads and you want to finance your paid ads, then you can learn how to use the strategy. It comes from Anik Sangal. This building cash machine, this is the techniques that are being used by top 6-figure marketers like Omar Martin. Ebook and report plus 3 training videos. How to make money with your blog. Turn your blog into a money-making machine. This ebook will explain how, and there are some surprise bonuses with it at the same time. Fast action bonus. This is a bonus that might interest some of you, to have a 30-day email follow-up with me. I'll answer your questions. A fast action bonus for the first 25 people that take action. 30-day email follow-up series. How to access these amazing bonuses. Most of these bonuses are immediately available on the Warrior Plus platform. Just find the button Vidicious bonuses. But to qualify, of course, you have to click through the links to purchase Vidicious 3D video animation software through the links on this page. For the fast action bonus, the 30-day email follow-up. Claim your bonus this way, please. Send me an email to andre@onlineincomeroadmap.net. Send your receipt and your transaction ID as proof of purchase. I have to send you a contact and follow-up email, and this is available for the first 25 people who take action. Okay, so those are the bonuses. You can see the countdown timer. You have the time to change your future. So click on the link for the free demo. It doesn't cost you anything to check it out. Okay, talk later. Okay, we're back. This technology is first to the market technology, which means that you attract people. This is actually what we call top of mind marketing. People need to stay aware that you are the go-to person. They need to stay aware that you are the business that they want to do business with. The fact is that if you don't stand out from the crowd, they won't even look at your offer. They won't even take the time to watch your video. There are 500 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute. So how to be on top of the pile is quite a challenge, because 70% of the people say that if they have to choose between a written format or a video format to get their information online, they'll choose the video format. So that's why video is so important. And you can use it. Of course, you can repurpose any video and use it on any channel. You can use it on Facebook, of course, and on YouTube. You can use it on LinkedIn and Snapchat and TikTok and a lot of other platforms that they love video. Okay, let's go and look at a demonstration of this video in action. And after this demonstration, I will show you how you can make money with it very fast if you need cash right away.
You're wondering how easy such amazing video animations are to create. Let's jump into a live demo here, and I'll show you right now. All right, here we are in the Vidicious desktop software available for both PC and Mac. So let's get started. Simply choose an animation that you like. I'll choose this one by clicking on it. This animation supports 2 images, which could be your logo and logo icon, or anything you like. Now I click here to select the logo. And then click here to select the logo icon. Next, I choose the background music by clicking on the audio tab and then clicking here to select the audio track. After the audio is selected, I could change colors by clicking on the color tab right here. But for this demo, I'll leave the colors as they are now and click on the preview button. On this screen, you can see a few frames from animations to verify the colors you select. Now, all that is left is to click the Create Video button. Vidicious app will automatically render, encode, and make the video ready for preview. The created animation will include your images, background music, and the colors you selected. As you can see, in real time, the video rendering is pretty fast, so you will have the video ready in almost no time. And that's it. Now let's see what we have created together. Wow, this came out perfect. Hey. So as you just saw, in a few clicks, you'll have a perfect video animation like this. Vidicious is as easy as it gets, yet it's a very powerful desktop app that anybody can use. Listen, regardless if you want stunning intros, converting outros, fascinating logo sting animations, or engagement-boosting social animations, Vidicious can do it for you.
Sales and promotions are the lifeblood of every business. Every entrepreneur needs it. Every store owner needs it. Every e-commerce needs it. Anybody who wants to create a viable business online needs a video to attract clients. So if you as a marketer need cash fast, you can set yourself up on Fiverr to offer this animation, 3D animation service, videos for businesses. If you go to Fiverr and you'll see there are people that are selling this for $500 to $750 for each 3D animated video. So there's a lot of money to be made, and there's room for you because businesses are going online. They have all noticed with the coronavirus shutdown and the recession that's coming up that the foot traffic that they used to depend upon no longer dependable. Even their best clients are going online to find what they're looking for. And online businesses, generally speaking, are booming. So you need to be part of this movement, and you can be a service provider for local business. You can start in your own area. You can do an animated video to promote your agency with Vidicious. Vidicious actually supplies you with 50 video animation templates that you can upload as a portfolio so that you can use it to convince clients that you're able to do it for them. In my bonuses, you notice that I have some videos that will teach you how to win over clients on LinkedIn and other places. And of course, for businesses, it saves a lot of time. They can outsource to people on Fiverr or on Upwork and places like that, but it takes time going back and forth to get it right. And with Vidicious, it only takes a couple of minutes to create a stunning, eye-catching video or logo, or animated logo, or outros or intros. It only takes a couple of minutes. Actually, it's a software that does the work for you. So you won't be spending endless hours trying to get it done. Just click through on my links and you'll be able to get a hold of my bonuses, which will also help you build your business. But anyway, Vidicious is a good tool, excellent tool actually. It's the first to the market tool and will help you to be at the top of mind of your clients. Take a look at this and click through, and we'll see you on the other side. Talk soon.